Subscribe and like this video on 3 seconds, to make this sad cat happy. 3, 2, 1.
What?
Wow!
Romeo's crying because oh my god, I gave him a massage!
Look at this distinguished gentleman. Look at the way he is sitting, yes.
Don't laugh. Cough.
Oh my goodness, you look so cute. Oh my goodness.
Banjo. Look. Look! Look at me! Banjo!
This is me as a potato, but look at my cat is a potato.
Ollie, come here. Come here. Oh my god. Look, there's a cat on my head. Do you want to eat the cat? You can't. You scared? There it is. Oh, go get the cat. Where'd it go? Do you see it? Oh no. Maya, you have to go get the cat.
Oh, he's riding your ass! Hell no, get him off you. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on all notifications to watch more cute and funny pets.